Hello aspirant, welcome back. In today's video, I've prepared top 100 questions in MCQ format that are highly important for the upcoming NSSP exam. Also, this question will be helpful for those aspirants preparing for NBSC as well. So all these questions have been selected carefully by following the latest pattern. So I hope this video will help you in last minute preparation. And I wish you all the very best for the upcoming NSSP exam. Alright, let's start the question. Question 1. Who presided over the first meeting of the Indian Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is B. Sachidananda Sinha. Question 2. The concept of judicial review in our constitution have been taken from the constitution of. The correct answer is D. USA. Question 3. Indian constitution has taken certain feature of the constitution of other countries. Which countries has contributed to the framing of the directive principle of state policy? The correct answer is B. Ireland. Question 4. Under which one of the following article of the Constitution of India is the annual financial statement of the economy to be laid by the government on the table of the Parliament before 31st March every year? The correct answer is C. Article 112. Question 5. Which article of the Constitution provides that it shall be the endeavor of every state to provide adequate facility for instruction in the mother tongue at the primary stage of education? The correct answer is B. Article 350A. Question 6. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights enlisted in the Constitution of India through which one of the following amendments? The correct answer is B. 44th Amendment. Question number 7. The states of the Indian Union can be reorganized or their boundaries altered by. The correct answer is B. The Union Parliament by simple majority in the ordinary process of legislation. Question number 8. The articles of the Constitution of India which deals with directive principle of state policy are. The correct answer is option C. Article 36 to Article 51. Question 9. Which one of the following is the first state to have been formed on linguistic basis? The correct answer is A. Andhra Pradesh. Question 10. An accused of an offense cannot be compelled to be a witness against himself. Which article of Indian Constitution provides for this? The correct option is A. Article 20. Question 11. Gross domestic product (GDP) is defined as the value of all. The correct option is D. Goods and services produced in an economy in a year. Question 12. Depreciation is equal to. The correct option is A. Gross national product minus NNB, that is net national product. Question 13. The main source of national income in India is. The correct option is A. Service sector. Question 14. In India, the concept of minimum needs and directed anti-poverty programs were the innovation of. The correct option is B. Fit 5-year plan. Question 15. India is regarded as a country with demographic divide. This is due to. The correct option is B. Its high population with the age group of 15 to 64 years. Question 16. Which one of the following is the central theme of the Chipko movement started by Sundarlal Bahuguna in 1973? The correct option is D. Conservation of forests. Question 17. A situation where we have people whose level of income is not sufficient to meet the minimum consumption expenditure is considered as. The correct option is A. Absolute poverty. Question 18. Many times we see in newspapers that some projects are launched by the government authority on PPP basis. What is the full form of PPP? The correct option is P. Public-private partnership. Question 19. Among the following, who are eligible to benefit from Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA? The correct option is D. Adult members of any households. Question 20. The bank rate means. The correct option is D. Rate at which RBI purchases or rediscount bill of exchange of commercial banks. Question 21. The Indus Valley Civilization specialized in. The correct option is A. Downplaning. Question 22. Where did Gautama Buddha delivered his first sermon known as Dharmachakra Pravartan, that is, turning of the wheel of the law? The correct option is B. Sarnath. Question 23. Charak was the famous court physician of. The correct option is D. Kanishka. Question 24. Samudragupta has been given the Neverland by the historian. The correct option is B. V.S. Smith. Question 25. Which one of the following was known as Chalcolithic Age? The correct option is C. Gobor to Stone Age. Question 26. Who of the following was a contemporary of Genghis Khan? The correct answer is B. Iltutmish. Question 27. Who among the following Delhi Sultan is known for introducing market control mechanism? The correct option is C. Alauddin Khalji. Question 28. Who was the Delhi Sultan when the threat of invasion by Mongols under Genghis Khan loomed over India? The correct option is A. Iltutmish. Question 29. The most important cause of the downfall of the Vijayanagara Empire was. The correct option is B. Unity among the Muslim ruler of Bijapur, Golconda and Ahmednagar. Question number 30. When Babur invaded India, who was the ruler of Vijayanagara Empire in South India? The correct option is B. Krishnadeva Raya. Question number 31. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? The correct option is B. Warren Hastings. Question number 32. The English East India Company founded a permanent factory at Surat in the year. The correct option is B. 1613. Question 33. Who said the Congress is tottering to its fall, and one of my greatest ambition while in India is to assist it to a peaceful demise? The correct option is B. Lord Curzon. Question 34. Who of the following was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? The correct option is A. Badruddin Tayyibji. Question 35. The first Indian to contest an election to the British House of Commons was. The correct option is A. Darabai Noroji. Question 36. The chairman of Joint Parliamentary Committee of the 1935 bill that led to the framing of the Government of India Act of 1935 was. The correct option is A. Lord Linlithgow. Question 37. Which Congress president negotiated with both Cripps Mission and Lord Wavell? The correct option is A. Abdul Kalam Azad. Question 38. Who headed the interim cabinet formed in the year 1946? The correct option is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 39. The leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha 1928 was. The correct option is A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 40. The Montagu-Chelmsford report formed the basis of. The correct option is B. The Government of India Act 1919. Question 41. McMahon Line forms the boundary between. The correct option is A. India and China. Question 42. Which among the following is the highest peak in India? The correct option is A. Mount Kanchenjunga. Question 43. In which of the following rivers The upper course contained fresh water but saline water flowing at the lower part. The correct option is B. Luni River. Question 44. Which one of the following is the best example of repeated fall in sea level given rise to present-day extensive marshland? The correct option is D. Run of Kutch. Question number 45. Why does Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats both receive sufficient rainfall but Digan to receive scanty rainfall? The correct option is A. It is a rain shadow area. Question 46. The Kashmir region received additional amount of precipitation during the winter brought by? The correct option is B. Western disturbance. Question 47. Among the following, which are major iron ore producing states? The correct option is B. Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha, Goa and Karnataka. Question 48. The correct sequence of population density from high to low in the following states of India as per 2011 census is? The correct option is C. Bihar, Punjab, Jharkhand and Uttarakhand. Question 49. What do you mean by density of population? The correct option is B. Number of person live per square kilometer. Question 50. Which one of the following is the largest freshwater lake in India? The correct option is D. Vellore. Question 51. The lens used in a simple microscope is? The correct option is B. Convex. Question 52. The image formed in a compound microscope is? The correct option is B. Inverted. Question 53. Endothermic reaction are those in which? The correct option is B. Heat is absorbed. Question 54. Which color of light is divided least? The correct option is A. Red. Question 55. The floral part that receive pollen grain during pollination is? The correct option is C. Stigma. Question 56. What is the symbol of coal? The correct option is D. AU. Question 57. Which of the following type of noble gas is used for unconsciousness? The correct option is A. Xenon. Question 58. When two ice cubes are pressed together, they join to form one cube. Which one of the following helps to hold them together? The correct option is A. Hydrogen bond formation. Question 59. Which of the following is caused by the higher concentration of nitrogen and phosphorus? The correct option is A. Eutrophication. Question 60. Acid rain is caused due to pollination of atmosphere by? The correct option is B. Oxide of nitrogen and sulfur. Question 61. Which one of the following is not a photosynthetic pigment? The correct option is anthocyanin. Question 62. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of? The correct option is A. Iodine. Question 63. Which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease dysentery? The correct option is C. Protozoan. Question number 64. The plants which grow under water stress condition of desert are? The correct option is D. Xerophytes. Question 65. Cancer treatment is done by which of the following noble gas? The correct option is C. Radon. Question 66. Plants which flower only once in their lifetime are known as? The correct option is C. Monocarpic. Question 67. Whittle test is used for the diagnosis of? The correct option is C. Typhoid. Question 68. Which one of the following plant is used to treat blood pressure? The correct option is A. Sarpagandha. Question 69. In which form is glucose stored in our body? The correct option is C. Glycogen. Question 70. Which part of the brain is responsible for triggering action like thinking, intelligent memory, and ability to learn. The correct option is B. Cerebrum. Question 71. The interim body of Nagaland was inaugurated by General Sri Nagesh, the Governor of Assam, on. The correct option is B. 18 February 1961. Didu, the first division of the Japanese army, which marched to Kohima in April 1944, was commanded by. The correct option is C. Lieutenant General Sato Kotogu. Question number 73. The first president of the Naga Hills District Tribal Council, that is NHDDC, the predecessor of the Naga National Council NNC, was. The correct option is A. Mr. Mayanokcha Au. Question 74. Kohima War Cemetery, a memorial dedicated to soldier, consists of. The correct option is B. 1,420 Commonwealth burials and cremation place of 917 Hindu and Sikh soldiers. Question number 75. The first Nagaland legislative was formed in. The correct option is B. 1964. Question 76. The state of Nagaland governs with an area of. The correct option is C. 16579 square kilometer. Question 77. The total number of recognized scheduled tribe in Nagaland is. The correct option is A. 5. Question 78. A very simple question. The first Naga Olympian was. The correct option is B. Dr. Talimeren Au. Question 79. Important handicraft of the Nagas are. The correct option is A. Wood carving and bamboo work. Question 80. Rani Kaitunglu was. The correct option is B. A legendary freedom fighter. Question 81. Where will the United Nations Climate Change Conference, that is COP30, be held? The correct option is A. Belém, Brazil. Question 82. Which operation was launched by the Indian government to rescue Indian nationals from Iran? The correct option is A. Operation Sindhu. Question 83. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Award in 2025? The correct option is D. 139. Question 84. Which country hosted the Artificial Intelligence AI Action Summit 2025? The correct option is A. France. Question 85. Which country will host the next Olympic in 2028? The correct option is C. Los Angeles, USA. Question 86. What is India rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? The correct option is B. 118. Question 87. Who won the Best Picture Award at the International India Film Academy IIFA 2025? The correct option is B. Labada Ladies. Question 88. The nomadic elephant joint military exercise was conducted between India and which country? The correct option is C. Mongolia. Question 89. Which country honored PM Narendra Modi with its highest civilian honor, the Order of the Republic? The correct option is C. Trinidad and Tobago. Question 90. Who won the 13th edition of the ICC Women's World Cup 2025? The correct answer is B. India. Question 91. What is the new limit of non-taxable income as per the 2025 India tax regime? The correct answer is C. Rupees 12 lakh. Question 92. Which country won the 2025 Asia Cup in cricket? The correct answer is A. India. Question 93. Sudarshan Chakra is related to which domain? The correct answer is B. Defense. Question 94. India ranked what position in the 2025 Global Innovative Index? The correct answer is A. 38th rank. Question 95. Who was appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India in 2025? The correct answer is B. Ganesh Kumar. Question 96. Who among the following has won the men's single title in this recently held Australian Open 2025? The correct answer is A. Jannik Sinner. Question 97. In which state was India's first digital nomad village established? The correct answer is A. Sikkim. Question 98. Jitendra Pal Singh has recently been appointed as India's new ambassador to which country? The correct option is B. Israel. Question 99. India's first indigenous photonic radar has been developed by? The correct answer is C. DRDO. Question 100. This will be the last question. India signed a landmark agreement with which country to establish an International Solar Alliance Center? The correct option is B. France.